Conversation 1.
Do you have a pen? I forgot mine.
I don't have a pen, but I have a pencil.
That works. Do you have an eraser?
The pencil has an eraser.
Perfect. And do you have any paper?
My gosh, you don't have anything.
Conversation 2.
Would you like a sandwich?
I would love a sandwich.
And some chips?
Some chips sounds lovely.
How about a drink? Do you want a soda or some iced tea?
I'm okay. I have a water.
Do you want the water in a glass with ice?
No, the bottle is fine.
Conversation 3.
How do you like your new house?
It's nice. It has a kitchen, a big bedroom, and a nice bathroom.
What is the kitchen like?
It is big, and it has a big stove.
What about the bathroom?
It does not have a bathtub, but it has a shower.
Do you have a yard?
Yes, but the yard is small. It does have a nice tree, though.
Nice. Do you have a nice view?
No, the view is terrible. There is a tall building next door.
Conversation 4.
How was the wedding party? Did you have fun?
Yes, it was fun. The food was delicious.
What food did they have?
There was a salad bar, a drink bar, and a buffet.
That sounds nice. Was there a band?
No, but there was a DJ.
Cool. How was the music?
Not great. All the songs they played were really old.
That sounds like a boring party.
No, it was fun. The atmosphere was good. Everyone had a good time.